What's up? What's up? What's up? My mind, your money business people. It's me yet again with another video about today's stock market. Today is a very important day. Not today. Today is a very important day. I only record these videos in one take, so yeah. So excuse any mistakes, any fumbling of the words as I create and go through these videos. It is 5:30 in the morning. My time is Wednesday morning here, Tuesday in the mainlands, election day. And today in the stock market appears to be a great day. The Dow rises. The Dow rises, people. You know, despite what's going on in the world, despite, these controversial stances, takes, elections, the stock market is going to do what the stock market does. It can go up, it can go down, but today it is up. And history has told us that normally after elections, no matter who the president is, the stock market goes up. So it says today, Dow rises 400 points as Wall Street awaits election results. The S&P 500 rose solidly on Tuesday as traders awaited the results from a high-stakes U.S. presidential election. The broad market index gained 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 1.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 400 points, or nearly 1%, which is really good. The race between former President Trump and Vice President Harris is expected to be tight. Close attention also remains on which party dominates Congress, given that a sweep by Republicans or Democrats could contribute to drastic spending changes or a big revamp of tax policy. Wow. It just goes to show how politics can affect the stock market, people. That's why you have to do your research. Disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. All content provided on this channel is for entertainment purposes only and reflects my personal opinions. So please do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before investing any of your money. Yes, research. Always. Okay, back to the article. The results could have a significant effect on where stocks end the year, but investors may want to brace for some near-term choppiness. Okay, CNBC data going back to 1980 suggests the major averages gain between election day and the end of the year, but typically fall in the session and week after. Uncertainty over the results could lead to even more shakiness in the market. Yeah, shakiness can happen, people. I mean, whether it be an election month, day, year, what have you, shakiness always happens. That's why, for me, I choose the dollar cost average into the stock market each and every month. Because there's no way to time the market. There's no way to know when is the best time or day, week, or year to invest. So I just do it monthly. Okay. The article also says we're positive on the market regardless of what happens today. We think Congress will be a divided Congress. That's going to be the most positive thing of all, said Alicia Levine, head of investment strategy and equities at BNY Wealth. Yeah, you also be advised, and please understand, these same congressmen and women invest money as well. They're not going to do things that's going to destroy the market. Money may be allocated to certain industries more than others, but the market isn't going to be destroyed by these people because they have money invested as well. So just be aware of that. Because in my opinion, the stock market was created for the rich to maintain their riches. That's why it's not taught in schools. Okay, back to the article. No clear election bets were emerging yet in stocks on Tuesday so far. Banks, which would stand to benefit from deregulation under GOP control, were slightly higher. The SPDR S&P Bank ETF gained 1.2%. Shares of Nvidia rose 3%, but the chipmaker and bull market stalwart would appear to be insulated regardless of the election's outcome. Yeah, Nvidia's gone up regardless of who's the president. Tesla rose 4%, though the electric car stock could be seen as benefiting from a Democratic victory or a Republican one. Okay, given CEO Elon Musk's close ties to Trump. Beyond the election, investors await the Federal Reserve's November rate decision due Thursday, and fresh commentary from Jerome Powell on the central bank's policy moves going forward. Hopefully the Fed will continue on their rate cuts. They're expecting a 25 basis cut this time around. Hopefully that continues to happen. Again, that lowers the rates on borrowing money. Whenever you're able to borrow money at a cheaper rate, you tend to spend more. So yeah, fingers crossed. Okay, traders are pricing in a 99% likelihood of a quarter point cut, 25 basis point cut, following September's half-point reduction, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool. The S&P 500 is already up more than 20% year to date, an unusual strong run-up ahead of an election, and is about 2% from its record high. Yeah. That's good, people. Let's see. Like, the market is going to close. I forgot about the daylight savings time that occurred, I think on the 3rd. Like, the time where I'm at doesn't change. So the market is going to be open for another hour and a half. I was a little confused on yesterday. So Nvidia is currently up, over $3. And I believe Nvidia's market cap before closing in an hour and a half is at $3.432 trillion, right? Apple. Nvidia has seemingly overtaken Apple as the most valued company in the world. And that's today, November 6th. I may have to do another video. Yeah, but either way, yeah, so that looks good. Yeah. Oh, wow. But the market's not closed, so we will see. Maybe I'll talk about it tomorrow. Maybe when I get home from work, I'll do another video if this remains the same. Things can change. But yeah, Nvidia currently has overtaken Apple as the most valued company. Nvidia is currently at $3.42 trillion market cap. Apple is at $3.375 trillion. Wow. Nvidia is no joke, people. Okay, the S&P 500, my SPLG ETF is currently up 1%. And like the article said, the S&P 500 has brought back 20% year to date. And that's what I have for my S&P 500 SPLG ETF. I have a year-to-date daily return of 21.10%. But again, the market hasn't closed, so things can change. But still, yeah, it's over 20%. Yeah, so that's all I have, people. The elections are upon us, and the Dow is up. So if you're investing, you should be making money. Lower your debt-to-income ratio. Get out of debt, people. Dollar cost average into the stock market. Create a plan. Create a budget. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think if you think anything. And keep doing what you're doing. Peace.